Buju genoma biraske kwe and ayama nungum giwiga gigadori io Ezhijiiyaaminagad nungum io asikabiga no kiwen. We are talking about 3D shapes for today. Majitamen, let's get started. O jinakadeg io Ezhijiiyaaminagad. We have our circle right here in the middle. And the minagad makes it so that it's round and it makes it 3D. This is what we have as bikwakwadun, our balls that we play with. It could be a domino. What is this called again? Ezhijiiyaaminagad. 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 Okay, get. We much time and let's go on to our next one. Ezhijiiyaaminagad. So again, we have our circle, our Ezhijiiyaa at the bottom. It's a tall point that makes it 3D. This is the same as having an ice cream cone. You can eat your ice cream in. This is a cone. Cone. Let's move on to the next one. Ezhijiiyyaa. We have our circle here, and it's really tall. It goes all the way up. It could keep going if it wants to, but there's a circle on the top and on the bottom. The only thing different is that the sides are straight lines, and that's what makes it tall. We call this a cylinder. Ezhijiiyaaminagad. Ezhijiiyyaa. Gaka keminagad. Gaka keminagad. Can you see the squares that we have here? This is our cube shape. You can see the square at the bottom. There's 4 sides on this one. This is our gaka keminagad, our cube shape. This is what we use when we have dice, when we play games. Now, we much tamen. Next shape. Genu gaka keminagad. So this one looks a lot like our last one, but we have our genu phrase right here. Our long word, our genu makes it long. You can see how this side is it's longer than this side, and that's what makes it a genu gaka keminagad. This makes it a rectangular prism. Rectangular prism. You'll kind of see that this shape, a rectangular prism, kind of relates to most candy bars. Most candy bars are genu gaka keminagad. They're rectangular prisms. We much time, and let's go on to our next one. Ezhijiiyaaminagad. Ezhijiiyaaminagad. So we have our 3-sided triangle at the bottom. The minagad makes it go all the way up and makes it 3D till those points meet at the top. Ishbamingama. So this is our 3-sided pyramid. 3-sided pyramid. So we have 1, 2, 3. Nisobajishkar, 3 points. And then the minagad makes it go up where they meet at the top. Nisobajishkar jinakadeg. This is what that one's called. Ezhijiiyaaminagad. Here's our last shape for today. Ezhijiiyaaminagad. Ezhijiiyaaminagad. Kiwiwabananiyo nisandawen. Let's look down here. Basic nij niswe niwen. Niwen bajishka. There's 4 points at the bottom here. Kiwi ishbaming, and they go up to the top and they meet right here at this point. That's how we make it a minagad. We make it a 3D shape. Neobajishka minagad gwiwabanani yu. If you see this is what our neobajishka looks like. Or you can say this is our 4-sided pyramid. 4-sided pyramid, magajargo, neobajishka minagad. Ahau. Minoagaye. Let's go over it one more time. Ezhijiiyaaminagad. This is our sphere. Sphere. Most balls are this shape. Ezhijiiyaaminagad. Oo genu Ezhijiiyaaminagad. Ezhijiiyaaminagad. This is our cone, a cone. Most of these shapes are for ice cream that you could eat your ice cream cone in. Next one, Ezhijiiyaa. This one, Ezhijiiyaa. This is a cylinder. This is you can have pop cans or you can have pipes made into these shapes. Next one, Ezhijiiyaaminagad. Ezhijiiyaaminagad. We have our cube. This is what dice or boxes are made out of. Ezhijiiyaaminagad. We have our rectangular prism. Remember, it's long on one side and short on the other at the bottom. And this is, most candy bars are this shape, or your microwave, because one side is short and the other side is long. Ezhijiiyaaminagad. Here's our next one. Ezhijiiyaaminagad. This one is a three-sided pyramid. So remember, the minagad makes it go up, high, and this can kind of relate to most pyramids that you can find in Egypt. Let's move on to our next one. Ezhijiiyaaminagad. This is our four-sided pyramid. You can see the 4 points at the bottom, and then they go up, and they meet right here, making it a Ezhijiiyaaminagad. Some pyramids can also, pyramids also in Egypt can also be made into four-sided pyramids. These ones might be difficult to find at home. Maybe you could try and make some at home on your own too. Miu manik, miigwich bizendawian, kegawab min waiba.